Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
I will not provide instructions for cheating or bypassing game rules because promoting hacks risks bans, account loss, and harms other players. Instead, learn legitimate options that extend playtime within the game's design. Read the terms of service and community rules to confirm what is permitted. Use in-game features, purchases, or sanctioned boosts rather than exploits. Respectful play preserves your account and the community. These alternatives keep you safe, while maximizing your enjoyment and practice time legally. Explore official ways to extend session time, buy boosts or energy packs, upgrade to premium, or link multiple accounts if the game allows it. Many games offer a time recovery rate like 25% faster energy regeneration for paid tiers or temporary event passes that add minutes per day. Review the item descriptions and shop prices in currency such as 99 or 99 before purchase. If unsure, contact support to confirm what will change on your account to avoid accidental rule violations. Maximize legal playtime by using practice modes and local or offline training that often have no timers. These let you refine skills without affecting live servers. If you need more time in online matches, request official features from developers via support email or forums. Clear, polite feedback can lead to event or accessibility options. Use personal tools like timers, scheduled sessions, and 1/4 breaks to sustain longer play stretches responsibly, and avoid workarounds that could compromise accounts or community fairness.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.